Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to be unboxing the Vettsy mini box for January. Yes, please ignore the state of the nails on this hand. And yeah, as I said, this is the mini box for January for Vettsy. So yeah, let's get into it guys and see what we got, because I was super impressed with the December box. So I have subscribed to a rolling monthly contract. Let's move all this fluff out the way. The first thing I see are these stickers. They are in a lace design. Super pretty. Now this is labelled as a free gift. Now this is the exact same thing we got in our December box. So this is my second lot of these, and these are just little confetti stars. The next thing I see are some nail brushes. And you get 3 of them. And you hold them like that and you can clean nails. So there's 3 of them. Oh, the next thing we have are 2 nail files. Now they are different kinds. The first one we have got is a 180 by 180 nail file, which is washable. And then the second one we got is a 100 by 100 grit file. If you don't know, the numbers mean the roughness of the grit on the file. The lower the number, the rougher it is. The higher the number, the smoother it is. Just in case. So the next thing we got in a said box. Ooh, that kind of went everywhere. It looks like a little pot of glitter. So here we go. A nice little pot of glitter. Then we also have this multi-pack box, and we've got some, these are flat back rhinestones. These are rhinestones, but they do have points on them. If my camera wants to focus, there we go. They do have points on them. Then we have some of these like little coloured, like little stones here. And then we have them in pearl as well. Then the next thing I see is a square oval UV gel brush. Gosh, if I can get it out of the packaging, that would be helpful. Oh. Ooh. So here we go, a gel square oval brush. And a nice lid for it. And this is what it looks like. Now we also have some more stickers. So we have some white stars. If you've seen my Shein haul, I just bought a load of star stickers. But yeah, some white stars. And then we have these, like, I think they're like little flower templates. So you peel off the square, you put it on the nail, and then you can paint over it and it leaves the flower outline on, I believe. So we have a pack of them. And then the last thing we have in the box are our polishes. So we have a base coat, oh come on, right, okay, that's as best as I can open it. Obviously it is clear, and it does look very runny. So, oh, that lid went on funny. That is the base coat, and the lid is a bit loose. Then the next one we have is a solid gel polish. This is number 100 Principle. And this is what it looks like. Now I believe in the previous month we got a silver polish. Let me just quickly grab them and have a look. Oh no, it was gold. It was a gold one in last month's. So we have a nice silver. And then the last thing we have is a gel polish. This is called the Artist 10ml. And this is the colour. Very, very pretty. So I will swap these two polishes. Not this one because this is just a base coat. It's just going to be clear. But I will swatch these two and I will be back, guys. Hello guys, so we are back with the polishes. Now the first one was the Artisan, and this is what it looks like. A super pretty colour, I love it. And then we had the silver solid gel polish. Now this is 2 coats, and it came out lovely. If I put it on my nail, yeah, it looks really, really good. Now this, believe it or not, was only 1 coat, and it is complete full coverage. You don't need multiple coats of this. It's fantastic. Even if I put it over the green, look, you can't see the green, and that's just 1 coat. So I really like these colours, but this blue I think is absolutely stunning. So just to recap everything we got in our monthly mini January box, we got the Artisan gel polish, which I really, really like. We have got the base coat and the silver solid gel. These are swatches. Then sort of stickery kind of wise, we got the roses, we got the stars, and we also got like these lace kind designs, which I think that lace with this blue mint. We got our square oval brush. We got 2 nail files in 2 different grits. We got this box of rhinestones. We got this as a free gift, so we now have 2 pots of them. We got some nice glitter. And we also got 3 of these brushes. Now, I really like this box. I think, you know, it all goes really well. You've got the brushes to clean your nails. You've got this brush, which you can use with these. And I think especially these lace designs, this silver hollow, and like these little blue round ones, or even the light colour green ones with these 2 gel polishes will make a really nice set. And I may actually make a set of nails with this stuff because I'm going away on holiday in a week. And I just dyed my hair coincidentally near enough the same colour blue. My head is blocking the light there. But near enough the same colour blue as what is on the you know, on the bottle. So I think I'm going to come up with a nice little set to go away on holiday with. So keep an eye open for that video. And yeah, I think for the price, this is a fantastic little box. I liked it just as much as the previous one. And yeah, see you all in the next video, guys. Bye.